Today we'll study frequency transformations. Already we know there are four kinds of filters, that is low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter and band stop filters. In our previous lectures we have studied the design of low pass filters. We have taken design of low pass Butterworth filter as well as low pass Chebyshev filters for different cutoff frequency and different stop band frequencies. And also we have studied the normalized Butterworth filter as well as normalized Chebyshev filter. In normalized filters, we know the cutoff frequency for Butterworth is 1 radians per second, and for normalized Chebyshev filter, the cutoff frequency itself is passband frequency omega p, its value is 1 radians per second. Now, with the help of normalized low pass filters, it is possible to design high pass filter or band pass filter or band stop filters with the help of frequency transformations. Consider this table. The first column represents normalized low pass filter. Second column represents frequency response of different filters. This is frequency response of low pass filter, frequency response of high pass filter, frequency response of band pass filter and frequency response of band stop filter. Let us take one example how to design high pass filter with the help of normalized low pass filter. When we are designing high pass filter, we know the stop band cutoff frequency omega s dash, pass band frequency omega p and kp value and ks value. With the help of these values, the first thing is we have to find stop band frequency of normalized low pass filter with the help of this formula. That is omega s equal to omega p divided by omega s dash. Here this omega s is stop band frequency of normalized low pass filter, omega p is passband frequency of high pass filter and omega s dash is stop band frequency of omega s dash. With the help of this formula, calculate omega s. We will, once we get the omega s, try to find the transfer function of this low pass filter, normalized low pass filter, where cutoff frequency is equal to 1. Once if we calculate h of s or h of j omega, h of s, that is transfer function of normalized low pass filter, we supposed to replace all s by s equal to omega p by s. Then we will get the new transfer function, which is the transfer function of desired filter, that is high pass filter. Similarly, in order to design band pass filter, the known values are lower cutoff frequency omega l, upper cutoff frequency omega u, upper stop band frequency omega 2 and lower stop band frequency omega n, kp value, ks value. With the help of this, first we supposed to find omega s. Here omega s is, this omega s is stop band frequency of normalized low pass filter, this omega s. With the help of this formula, that is omega s equal to minimum of magnitude of a and b, where a and b is defined here. This is a and this is b, that is a is equal to minus omega 1 square plus omega u into omega l divided by omega 1 in bracket omega u minus omega l. Similarly, this is b. First calculate a and b value, then take the minimum of these two, whose value is minimum, that we supposed to consider as omega s. Again, now find h of s, normalized low pass filter value, then replace all s by this value, that is all s by this value, that is s equal to s square plus omega u into omega l divided by s in bracket omega u minus omega l. Now we will get new transfer function, which is transfer function of band pass filter, and similarly we can design band stop filter. Let us take one example. Let h of s is equal to 1 upon s square plus s plus 1 represent transfer function of low pass filter with a passband of 1 radians per second, use frequency transformation to find transfer function of following analog filter. First one is a low pass filter with omega p is equal to 10 radians per second, a high pass filter with omega p is equal to 100 radians per second. See, in this problem, transfer function is given. Transfer function of normalized low pass filter is given, that is h of s equal to 1 upon s square plus s plus 1. In this case, the passband frequency considered is 1 radians per second. Now we supposed to design a low pass filter which is having the passband frequency as 10 radians per second. So use that frequency transformation table. So this is low pass to low pass transformation. In this case, we supposed to replace s by s divided by omega p, that is s divided by 10 in equation 1. Substitute s equal to s by 10 in this equation and simplify. That is, after simplification, we'll get h of s equal to 100 divided by s square plus 10s plus 100. So this is transfer function of low pass filter with omega p is equal to 100 radians per second. Let us consider the second case, design of high pass filter with omega p equal to 100 radians per second. Refer the table. Now s is equal to omega p by s, that is omega p value is given, that is 100 by s. So substitute s equal to 100 by s in equation 1, that is this is equation 1. So we will get h of s equal to 1 upon 100 divided by s whole square plus 100 by s plus 1. Simplify this, we'll get h of s equal to s square divided by s square plus 100s plus 10 raised to 4. So this is transfer function of high pass filter with omega p is equal to 100 radians per second. Let us take another example. The system function of the first order normalized low pass filter is hn of s equal to 3 divided by s plus 5. Obtain system function of the second order band pass filter having passband from 1 kHz to 3.5 kHz. In this example, FL value is given, that is 1 kHz, and FU upper frequency is given 3.5 kHz. With the help of this, we will calculate omega L and omega U. We know omega is equal to 2 pi FL, that is 2 pi FL will get omega L, and omega U is equal to 2 pi FU will get omega U. Now let us find the transfer function of band pass filter. Refer the table. For band pass filter, we supposed to replace s by this value, that is s square plus omega u into omega L divided by s in bracket omega u minus omega L. So already we have calculated omega u value and omega s value. Substitute here. This is omega u, this is omega L, and simplify this, we'll get s equal to s square plus 138.16 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 15.707 into 10 raised to 3 s. The given normalized transfer function is hn of s equal to 3 divided by s plus 5. Now you substitute s value by this value and simplify. We will get h of s equal to, new h of s equal to 47.12 into 10 raised to 3 s divided by s square plus 78.53 10 raised to 3s plus 138.16 into 10 raised to 6. This is transfer function of band pass Butterworth filter. Let us take one more example. For the given specifications, Kp is 3 dB, Ks is 15 dB, omega p is 1000 radians per second, omega s is 500 radians per second. Design an analog Butterworth high pass filter. Let us draw the frequency response of high pass filter, which looks like this. Mention all the values. Kp is minus 3 dB, Ks value is given minus 15 dB, stop band frequency omega s is given, that is 500 radians per second, and omega c p value is given, that is 1000 radians per second. This can be designed using normalized low pass filter. The frequency response of normalized low pass filter is shown here. The cutoff frequency is 1 radians per second, because for normalized Butterworth filter the cutoff frequency is 1 radians per second. Here the first, it is necessary to design normalized Butterworth low pass filter and then convert this into high pass filter using frequency transformations. First let us find the order of the filter. Already we have taken many examples on this. With the help of this formula, calculate n, will get n equal to 2.47, rounded it off to 3, and omega c value is 1 radians per second. Then find poles of the filter using the formula sk equal to omega c angle 180 by 2n, 2k plus 1 minus 1, 2k plus n minus 1. Here we'll get 3 poles, S1, S2 and S3. After that find transfer function Hn of s using the formula omega c raised to n divided by s minus s1, s minus s2, s minus s3. Substitute all the values in this equation. Omega c is 1 radians per second, n value is 3, s1, s2, s3 values will be substituted and simplify. After simplifying, we'll get transfer function Hn of s equal to this value. So after simplification, we'll get Hn of s equal to 1 upon s cube plus 2s square plus 2s plus 1. Now to convert this into high pass filter, we are supposed to replace s by omega p by s. You can refer the table. So omega p value is 1000. So s equal to 1000 by s. Substitute this in equation number 1 and simplify. We'll get h of s equal to s cube divided by 100 cube plus 2 into 1000 square s plus 2000 s square plus s cube. This is transfer function of high pass filter. Let us take one more example. Design an analog band pass filter with following specifications. Minus 3.01 dB at upper and lower cutoff frequency of 50 Hz and 20 kHz. A stop band attenuation of at least 20 dB at 20 Hz and 45 kHz. A monotonic response. See here, magnitude frequency response of band pass filter is shown with the given values. Kp value is given minus 3.01 dB, Ks value is minus 20, this is omega 1, this is omega L, this is omega U, this is omega 2. First find all these values, omega L value, omega U value, omega 1 value, omega 2 value. Then calculate for A and B with this formulae. Then omega S, that is stop band frequency of normalized low pass filter, is minimum of these two. Here when you compare 2.51 with 2.25, 2.25 is minimum, so take omega S as 2.25. So omega S of normalized low pass filter is 2.25. Similarly, now calculate order of the filter n. Will get n equal to 2.83, rounded it off to n equal to 3. Now simplify and we'll get the transfer function h3 of s equal to 1 upon s cube plus 2s square plus 2s plus 1. For band pass filter, refer the table. We know s equal to s square plus omega u into omega c divided by s into omega u minus omega c. Substitute all the values. After simplification, we'll get s equal to this value. So substitute this s in transfer function, that is 1 upon, in previous transfer function, we'll get new transfer function HA of s.